stay on.
That was kind of dull.
Really?
Yeah, Henry, can you put your
looks
hat
good,
on
though.
for me?
Yeah. Well, I've been
food
watching
looks
on
good.
my public television. They've had more of Julia and Josh cooking at home.
I've seen them.
Oh, should I wear it? Thank you.
Yum. Oh, I've seen these before. These are awesome.
What do you got?
Thank you.
Can you put
They're
on
the
your
bath
cowboy
bombs
hat?
that you like put them in and then they're like bath salts and stuff.
Can you dance?
Oh, yum.
Henry.
Thank
Should we
you.
dance?
Hey, Becky.
Awesome.
Good.
Yeah, I've seen these before, but I never bought them because I was too cheap. But I love them. I bought them for.
Where's the go? I think he wants to do turtles when he grows up.
Where did you find the pink Christmas wrapping paper?
Here.
That's impressive.
Wow.
Those fit him pretty well. They're 3 feet, so I thought they'd be kind of baggy.
He like.
He's a load.
Well, I mean, they're you know kind of stretchy. You know.
Yeah.
Henry. You're welcome.
I was pretty comfortable. Where were, oh, we were at the when they were saying, we never have anything. Thank you. Spontaneous.
Is that one for you? Yes. You got yourself a present?
No, it's Dad.
Henry, what did you get, sweetheart?
Henry.
It looked pretty darn cute to me. Let's see, Daddy. Oh,
Henry.
what did you get for me? Katie, let's
Henry,
see.
come here.
Oh, look at that.
That
Very
is,
cool.
that's really
That's
cute.
really nice.
Nice.
Good
Henry.
shopping, Aunt Katie.
Oh,
Look
and
at
it's a
that.
hoodie.
It's a hoodie. You got a hoodie sweatshirt
Cute.
from Aunt Katie.
Isn't
Oh,
it cool?
yeah. That's for you.
And
You
what
like
else? Some brown pants.
And Henry.
Awesome.
Henry, look at Daddy.
it? Henry.
Look at Daddy. This
Henry.
is for Grandpa.
That's Grandpa's present.
For,
No, Henry. This is Grandpa's.
Henry said the
You
other
also got some pants.
That's for me. Nope, this is for Grandpa.
day.
That's for you.
What is my all these sheets?